What's going on YouTube? This is Ripper556 again with another gun review. Now I know you're probably wondering what's in this plain box that's sitting right here in front of me on this table. And you've already seen it before in my previous videos. I just failed to give an actual gun review, and I think that's kind of disrespectful and my bad on my part. So without further ado, I'm going to introduce the Core 15 Scout. Alright YouTube, this, for those who haven't watched any of my previous videos, on which it's only been featured in 2 of them, this is the Core Systems Scout 15. Now, minus the scope and the rifle sling, it comes with a hex mag, polymer mag, which I'll probably be doing a mag review with similar polymer mags of different manufacturers. That'll be in a future video. But that also comes with, your basic, instructions. And it also comes with a lock. And it also came with a dog tag. So without further ado, this is the unboxing, and I will get into the details and the specs of this weapon. All right, YouTube. So let me go ahead and give you a better look of the Core 15 rifle system. And before we go any further, bolt is open, no round chamber, as you can see. Not even the mag in, and even with the mag is empty. So, as I stated earlier, it comes with a polymer hex mag. A lot of people are not too crazy about it. I mean, with my experience, I can understand why, but as I stated, that will be in another review. But your typical AR-15, collapsible stock, I'm a really big fan of. A2 front sights, flash hider, minus the scope. Scope is custom, and 2-point sling. But what caught my eye about this weapon is the fact that it has a government profile of a 1.9 twist. Most standard AR-15s are 1.7. I've even seen some 1.6 to be exact. Now, for those of you who do not understand what the twist is, every barrel in an AR-15 has rifling, and anyone who knows about rifling is what makes the bullet accurate, is what gives the bullet its spin. Now, the tighter the twist, the more the bullet will spin, and the more it will actually make the round accurate. But in turn, it also wears the barrel out faster. So for those who have the traditional AR-15 that has a 1.7, even some I've seen 1.6, you'll get the best top performance out of it as far as, trajectory and accuracy, but you'll also wear your barrel out faster. So I found this, real interesting that Core 15 went with a 1.9, and I haven't honestly had any problems out of it shooting. I mean, it's still pretty accurate considering the fact that it's a 1.9 twist. But I think that's the only thing that makes it different from any other rifle that I've seen, that I've picked up. As far as the AR-15 platform, it does have a phosphate finish. I'm not sure how anyone would feel about that, but phosphate doesn't bother me. And I mean, it's just your standard, AR-15, and it's mil spec. Problem is, the price around this is about $850. I'm not sure if anyone would want to do that. I mean, you could build one for a lot less and get more attachments. But I will say, in the near future, I do intend on changing this handguard and probably putting a quad rail on it with a vertical foregrip and maybe a laser. I'm not sure, but other than that, I probably won't do anything else to this weapon because I'm really content with how it comes out of the box. I'm really a big fan of the collapsible stock, so I don't see myself changing anything within this rifle. But if you ask me, it is a good buy for $850. It's really quality, So I mean, I've heard good things about Core Systems after I've done my research on them. They're not a bad gun manufacturer. So if you're ever in the market for a tried and true AR-15, Core is a good way to go. So YouTube, that pretty much concludes this video. Now, at the end of this video, you will actually get range footage of me shooting this weapon. So you see exactly how this weapon handles. Now, the ammunition that was shot out of it was Tula ammo, and I know you or anyone else would be like, oh, Reaper, that's horrible. Why not shoot brass? It'll foul your weapon. But if you maintain your weapon, you won't have any problems. I mean, it's just as accurate, maybe not as accurate as match grade ammo or anything else as far as brass goes. But when you're target practicing, it still gets the job done. So at the end of this video, stay tuned for the actual live footage of me using this weapon at the range. And as always, thank you for your time. And like, comment, and share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thank you.
That motherfucker, he's still alive. I wonder would they clean it down. Let me go out and see that. Don't scare it. I keep forgetting.
You still shooting, right? All of this stuff.
You can always edit.
You got to hold it hard in.